Hello, this is Adonau coming to you live from Riva's Radical Rides with the news on the updates we are trying to do for you. On Riva's Radical Rides, our next project is to get 3D videos. Unfortunately, 3D productions cost a titload of fucking money, so we're not doing it. We're just wearing the shades because they're fucking badass. Thank you. Come again.
Alright, well, I just finished Mars's trike, and I figure I'd give you guys a little tour of the farm on the GoPro there. We'll go for a little sled ride, and Mars is going to try out his quad, and yes, the rumors are true. I got a job in Timmins, so I don't know what's going to happen with videos. I'm sure I'm going to have days off, so be patient. But till then, enjoy the shit out of this one. Alright, this right here is the pond. Now we're gonna go have a look at the scrap pile. This is scrap pile. Hopefully springtime. Prices are high. We're really looking to get some money out of it. This right here is actually a horse track. Down on this side, that post right there that you see is a property line. Okay, we've got the Bogger, the Camaro. There's another scrap car. We used to have suppers and camp out in this bus when my grandpa was around. It's a real good time. Alright. That cabin I built when I was probably like 15 years old. It was meant to be used because my dad built a ski hill over there for the kids. but we never ended up using it for that. We ended up using it for paintball. We used paintball here before. This is the first pit. My dad pulled material here. Well, he used to pull material here for his business, landscaping. This is where I live. I love it. What the fuck is that? Where we used to grow vegetables back there. It's not very big. This right here is a catch pond. There's a pond right here, as you can see. Just whatever flows out of the creeks or whatever lands here. Back in the day. Now we're gonna make like a picnic area. This right here is the last pit. Once we get to the gate, it's the end of our property. There's 76 acres here. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour.
Hello. If you like that video, please rate it and subscribe. But if you're one of them thumbs down kind of guys, please post your name, your address, and your phone number in the comment section below. Because I'm going to go kick your ass. Subscribe.